In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a set of garden flowers, actually lighted garden flowers. Check these things out, everybody. This is from the company, I think it's called Neporal, is how you would say that. And this is the 4-pack. They actually come in like several different options here, but I went ahead and got the 4-pack. And I just want to show you everything you get right here with it. So they came in this box right here. You get a set of 4, just like this. You get 4 stakes that look like that. Looks like a little set of instructions that kind of go over the different models that you can get with this. And these right here, when you install them, there's a different way of doing it. You got 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. is going to be your maximum exposure time. And in the summertime, you're going to go at kind of that slight angle like that. And in the wintertime, it's going to be more of a drastic angle, just like that, as you see right here. Just don't have them straight down and don't put them under trees. You know what? They're solar lights, so there's not a lot to them as far as like how to install them and all that. You get a little video guide if you want to look at that, but let me just kind of like go over the flower itself. They look very premium. You can bend them down. See how I can bend them out like this? It looks like each one comes with 5 flower arrangements and leaves, and these are weatherproof and waterproof, so they won't fade and they won't blow away when you look at them. I like how they did the wiring around the edges there. The solar panel right here is a little small solar panel that is adjustable, just like that. It comes with this little film on there. Make sure you take those off. I know people that leave those on there. Looking at the bottom here, you've got an on, which is 0, and then you got 1 and 2. So you got 1, I'm going to put it on 1, and let me just kind of show you when I cover it up. You see what it's doing? Obviously it's not nighttime, but this is the instant on. It's just the always on, and you could see how many LEDs. They're very small LEDs, but they look awesome. Looks to be green, blue, red, and yellow. And then you put it on number 2. Put my hand over it. Check it out, everybody. Look at that. Flashing. What you're going to do is take this stake right here, and then these would go in a garden, and they kind of look like garden flowers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, take them over to my garden here, get them all set up, turn them on, let them get the last bit of sunlight here. They do look like they have a little bit of charge to them out of the box, but I'm going to let them get the last bit of sun, and then I'll click over to some nighttime footage, show you what these look like at night. So let's get to planting some flowers now. Okay, everybody, I'm around here at the little flower. This is my front porch area, and I've got several little flowers planted through here. So what I've decided to do, I went ahead and stuck one right there, and look how they just kind of like blend in right here. So let me go ahead and lay these down. I'm going to stick one like right here, and I'm making sure that the sun, we are still kind of in a little bit of the springtime, so I'm going to go a little bit of an angle like that on all of the solar panels. There's 1, 2, and let's do 3 right here. Man, those go in, those points work great. They just stuck right in there. And I went ahead and turned each one of them on, so they will start right when the sun goes completely down. What I'm doing is just going to stick them down about 3 to 4 inches in the dirt. But look how they just kind of like blend in to this whole area. You can't even really tell those are solar lights. Does that not look awesome? This would be a great gift for like Mother's Day, which is what I got them for here, or just like a gift in general. Let me go ahead, click over to some nighttime, and let's see what these things look like at night. So let's do that now. So I turned this one to the always on and kind of look at those right there. See how it just lights up in the flower itself right there, and then along the stems. That looks awesome. And then you look over here. Here's the one that's on the number 2 that's just on the blinking. So it looks to be about a 1 second kind of flash blinking. I put the 2 in the middle on the flash blinking, and then the 2 on the ends and always on. And you can see how they just kind of like line up right there. This is something I highly recommend. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the floral LED lights, solar powered. See you in the next video.